Come on, give y'all some praise. Oh, come on, with the fruit of your lips, tell y'all you thank him on today. Hallelujah. How many know that y'all is able? Do I got any help in the building? How many know that y'all is able? Oh, come on, come on.
Hallelujah. How many of y'all really believe that Yah is able? More than what you think. The scripture says that he's able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Hallelujah. If you truly believe that, just groove with us for a little bit. That's all right. Hallelujah. Come on, put your hands together. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, y'all. Whenever I call him, he's by my side. Whenever I need him, he's right on time. See, I don't have to worry, 'cause Yah's in control, and I know that he's able to see me through. I know he's able to see me through. Life situations are stressing you. You don't know just what to do. Just keep on praying, as Yah's in control, and I know that he's able to see you through. I know he's able to see you through. Yeah. He's able, and I know he will see you through. Are surrounding you. Just remember, yeah, that Yah is able. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yah is able to see you through. I'm gonna say it again, y'all. Whenever I call him, he's by my side. Whenever I need him, yes, he's right on time. See, I don't have to worry, 'cause Yah's in control, and I know that he's able to see me through. Yeah, yeah. Yah is able to see me through. Life situations, oh, the stressing you.